Welcome students in my channel Mathematics Adda. Students, here I am with fourth lecture for class 11th student chapter set theory. Students, today I am going to tell you about the power set. All of you try to understand clearly. First of all, I will tell you the definition of power set. So definition. What is power set? This is the question. Power set, it is the collection of all subsets of a given set. Let A be any set, then its power set is written as PA, which is defined as by set builder form, which is defined as PA equal to X such that this X is the subset of set A. Students, why I have taken here capital X instead of small x? Reason behind it, student, in the definition it has been given that it is the collection of all subsets of a given set. So here it is the collection of all subsets, means whatever the elements will come in PA, that is power set of set A, here all the element will be set in itself, but inside the PA their role will be just like as an element only. Well student, so again here PA equal to X such that X is the subset of set A. Note here students, number of element in the power set of set A, that is cardinal number of PA, it will be always equal to 2 to the power NA, where NA it is the cardinal number of set A or cardinality of set A. Well students, now always keep this particular definition in your mind. This is the clear definition of power set. Again I am telling you here, it is the collection. Collection means set. It is the collection of all subsets of a given set. Students, in my third lecture I have told you that how to write the subsets of a given set. Well, all of you are knowing from there that how to write down the subsets of a given set, and well, today we will write down all those subsets as an element under power set of set A. You try to understand easily. Now here are some examples, students. Suppose students, here is one example. Let set A have the element 1, 2, 3. Here, to write PA, power set of set A, also to find N of PA, number of element in PA, that is power set of set A. See student, how to do, I am telling you here clearly with the help of this example. Solution student, see, we are knowing that what is the power set set. Definition of power set. Again I am introducing to you that it is the collection of all subsets of a given set. Well students, keeping this definition in the mind, I am going to discuss the solution of this question. So here this is the given set. This is the given set. Well students, so first of all we will write down what? All subsets of given set, which you are knowing very well. So here given set A having element 1, 2, 3, whose subsets are, earlier I have told you how to write subset. First of all, you are knowing that empty set is the subset of every set is the subset of itself, and also there I have told you how to write by taking none, by taking 1, by taking 2, 2, by taking all. This is by taking none, by taking all, by taking 1, 1, by taking 1, 1, by taking 2, 2. How we are deciding, students? Firstly we are looking that how many elements are there. Here 3 elements of this set have, so we will start the writing of whole number from 0 to 3. Minimum it can be 0, maximum it can be 3. Keeping this thing in the mind, see here none, in case of none only 5 will come, in case of all the given set will come, and by taking 1, 1 what will come? 1, 2, 3, and by taking 2, 2 what will come? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. Well students, now I am going to write here, try to understand, whose subsets are 5, 1, 2, 3, set 1, 2, set 2, 3, set 3, 1, and set 1, 2, 3, which is the given set. Students, this is given set A, whose all subsets are this. Now, according to the definition of power set, it is the collection. Collection means set. It is the set of all subset of given sets. So, when we will write all subsets under a set, we will get a power set. So, PA will be, it is the collection of all subsets of given sets. So what it could be, students? You have to write all these list of subsets inside this set. So what it could be? Pi, set 1, set 2, 3, set 1, 2, set 2, 3, set 3, 1, set A, which is set 1, 2, 3, the given set. Student, this is power set of set A. This is power set of set A. Here you are looking, students, inside the power set, whatever the elements are present, they are set in itself. They are set in itself. Well, students, keeping this thing in the mind, we can analyze that phi is a subset of set A, while phi is an element in PA. For example, students, here you can understand, here phi is a subset of set A, but in PA phi is an element. Phi is an element, that is, we may understand that phi belong in PA. I hope, students, you have got my point. Well, students, now second thing we have to find out, number of element in power set of set A. What it could be, students? So n of PA. I have told you in the definition that what it could be, it will be 2 to the power Na. It is 2 to the power Na. Na is what? It is the cardinal number of set A or number of element in set A. Here students, Na it is what? It is 3. 1, 2, 3. Put the value here. 2. Na is how much? It is 3. So 2 raised to 3. How much it is? 8. So now students, if you will count the element, again you will get 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well students, one very important result you are getting from here. What is that? I am writing here. Number of element in PA is same as number of subsets of set A, and both will be what? 2 to the power n a. 2 to the power n a, where n a is number of element in set A. I hope students all of you have got this example with complete explanation clearly. Well students, now see one more example on this topic, telling you easily. This is very important topic students. One more example students. See another example. Let a set X whose elements are A, B, list all subsets of set A. Also write PA. This is the question in front of you students. Here a set X has been given. You have to make the list of subset of set A, and then you have to write PA, power set of set A. See, I am telling you here solution. See here, given X equal to A, B. Here number of element in set X, these are 2. 1, 2. Since number of element in set X it is 2, so again we will write down the tricks here. 2. So it will be 2, 1, 0. Now this is the shortcut tricks to write down the subsets of a given sets. First you write down the maximum number of element whatever in the set, and then in decreasing order come up to 0. 2, 1, 0. Okay. 0 stands for student none. In this case what will come? 5. Because 5 represent to an empty set, it has no element. And 2, that means all. So here what will come? Set itself. Here set itself will come. Now by taking 1, 1, by taking 1, 1, so what you will get student? Once you will get A, another time you will get B. Now, so we are going to write down the list of subsets. In the first it has been asked list of subset of set A. Now, list of subsets of set A is 5 empty set A, set B and set AB, which is nothing but it is the given set. Okay, students, still we all are knowing that number of subsets of a given set, it is always 2 to the power n a, where n is the number of element in the given set A. Here the given element, given set, it is X. So here we can understand that number of subsets, it could be 2 to the power nx. Number of element in set X, it is 2. So 2 to the power 2, what it could be? 4. Now count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well students, so this is the list of subsets of set X. Now we are interested to write PA, that is power set of set A. Here power set of set A, PA. What is it, students? Again, all of you are knowing it is the collection of all subsets of a given set. Whatever the set is given, you have to take out the collection of all subsets of the given set that I have told you in the definition. So what it could be, students? Here it will be collection. Put all these inside a set as an element. So what you will get? Phi A, this is B, this is AB. So this is PA. Also students, you can write here also here number of element in power set A, it is nothing but here the set is X. So number of element in the power set of set X, what it could be, students? Here it is 2 to the power nx. What is it? 2 to the power 2. It is 4 because number of element in set X, it is 2. I hope it is clear to my students once again. Well students, one more question I am going to provide. Try to understand here.